One of the most difficult verbs in the language to put in the infinitive is the verb to have. Try this one out. How would I say I would like to have a party? So I would like, b'wathlum, but then to have a party. If you're struggling with it, there's a good reason. It's because there is no verb to have in Irish. Think about tá madra agam, for I have a dog. It's a dog is at me. Past tense, bhí madra agam. So I'm using the verb to be and just changing the tense of that to change the tense of to have. Therefore, in the infinitive, it's not going to be any different. I just need the infinitive of the verb to be. That's going to be a bheith. And in our classic infinitive structure, let's say an obair a dhéanamh to do the work, so we use the noun first, we invert. Therefore, I would like to have a party would be b'wathlum kosher a bheith agam. We could also say fiesta for party. So it's always going to be that structure. Let's say X is the noun, so it's going to be X a bheith. Let's call it agam. But again, the agam could change depending on the doer of the action. Let's make it a bit clearer. So b'wathlum kosher a bheith agam, for I would like to have a party. You would like to have a party, b'wathlath kosher a bheith ad. Equally, they would like to have a party, b'wathlo kosher a bheith acu. So it's always going to be that structure for a to have a party, to have a dog, to have a day off. X a bheith, let's call it agam, but be careful because that agam could change to any of the egg forms depending on who is having the certain item or noun. Hopefully that makes it a lot easier. Any other verbs you find challenging, leave a comment down below. And don't forget, there's way more available like this for Learn Irish Online members. Sign up for a free trial today, €7 a month afterwards for a whole load of shows exclusive to the membership. Patreon.com/Learn Irish Online.